Hi, dear engineers. In our previous lecture, I have shown you that how we'll define nodal case on our model. But if you need to see that which types of load I have defined and where is it, then how we'll see that? To see that, just you have to come here, view, then click display. From here, you have to go loads, and you have to click that point, and that point. Okay. After that, simply click apply and okay. Now if you just go in view option, okay, if you just go in view option and if you select load, dead load, just see here we have assigned dead load on that model, that point, here and here. Okay, here, and how much load we have defined, you will be able to see that here. And also if you just go here for live load, just see in that point we have assigned live load and moment. Okay, and you just press shift and rotate that, and now see, you're seeing that value here. Also you can unshadow them and just see here the moment and force are available here. Okay, so in this way you are able to show you load on your structure. So here this is for, that was for live load, and that was for dead load in that point. Okay, so now what it's have selected, because for dead load it will consider self weight of that model. That's why all of that member have been selected. So that was our today's lecture. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for next update. So thank you. And if you want to support us, if you want to show love to us, then you can join as a member to our channel.